Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here is the broken file steel that we made yesterday. I will leave the link to that video down in the description. I didn't get a chance to try it out as much as I would have liked to. That's what we're doing here today. Let's cut away and I'll show you some close-up. And like I said, I took the tape off the end here because I think that looks better like that, just the raw edge. And here's the edge that I ground on the cinder block, 500 passes. Now one pass is a forward and a return. So you might say that I ground it 1,000 times on the cinder block, and it took about 3/4 of the teeth off of it. If this was completely smooth though, you'd be able to get better sparks off of it, because those teeth will just grab the sharp edge of the chert, stick that sharp edge and just break it off. You definitely don't want to use this, the full length teeth. Although it will spark, it's just not going to spark as great as if this was smooth. And the back side. I used some lacquer thinner to clean this up so you could see more detail. Let's go try it out. 2 pieces of chert, denim char cloth, charred punkwood, some leaves for a staging area, and pine needles for a tinder bundle. You want to tear your char cloth in half to expose all these threads. Line those 2 halves up on one another and put that a 1/16 of an inch behind the sharp edge. And this is our smooth edge over here, or it's smoother. We didn't get all the teeth off of that. Go for it. Since that's not laying down, I'm going to go ahead and double it over again. So now we have 4 layers of threads exposed to the sparks. I'm gonna do 4 layers again. Let me try this other piece of chert right here. Got the smooth side. Now let's try some charred punkwood. Now we'll ignite the pine needles tinder bundle. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.